The sad thing about sex is that it challenges our confidence. For ages, the aptness of a lover has been defined by the size of his love stick. And thus, a whole industry emerged and flourished, selling size-enhancing pumps, pills, and sachets. Another valid and natural method for bigging up your ammo is Zeb's Drops. Unlike dangerous drugs, Zeb's Drops relies on the power of nature to force-start testosterone production, which, in turn, skyrockets your libido and adds girth and length to your rod. Time to act smart and visit zebsdrops.com.